8 months already? Wow, time flies. Chances are you have your post-procedure checkup coming soon. If you do not have a follow-up appointment scheduled, please go to bosley.com and schedule online or call. In this video, I'll share a few important tips for you to follow over the next 4 months to make sure your hair grows in properly. We'll go over how you can style your hair growth results to expect, and scheduling your checkup. Let's get right into it. By now, 3 inches to 3.5 inches of new hair growth should be apparent. In the coming months, the hair shaft diameter will continue to thicken, giving your hair even greater density. If you have not already done so, now is the perfect time to meet with your Bosley physician to check your progress and discuss your continuing treatment plan. Every person's scalp is different. Go ahead, style your new head of hair however you like. You can treat your transplanted hair just like the rest of your hair because it is your hair. Style it however you like and feel free to have it cut, colored, or chemically treated. For most patients, their first procedure provides sufficient results to meet their needs. However, at 9 to 12 months, many patients meet with their Bosley counselor or Bosley physician to discuss long-term maintenance strategies.
The long-term maintenance strategies to optimize your Bosley hair transplant procedure include options such as Propecia or finasteride, Rogaine or minoxidil, the Bosley Revitalizer, which is low-level laser light therapy, PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma, as well as microneedling. All of these are strategies that work as an adjunct to your Bosley hair transplant procedure and will give you the overall best result.
After using Bosley RX, it was just sprouting out new follicles.
I can actually see the hair loss reverse.
I really started seeing some coverage on the crown.
It was like magic.
My name is Aramis, and I use the Revitalizer from Bosley. It's like wearing a hat. You just wear it around the room while you do your other activities, and you start seeing hair. How great is that?
Whether you're considering an additional procedure or not, visit your doctor for a follow-up to make sure you get the most out of your procedure. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you one last time again in 4 months.